Finally, Apple has begun manufacturing its iPhone 11 smartphone in India, a proud moment for the country. And the price of the iPhone will be reduced by 50%. Well, that wasn't in the news. Sorry, it was my mind voice, never mind.
In lounge rooms across the nation,
iPhone XR is assembled locally in India since 2019. This is finally some good news. And as an icing on the cake, Apple's biggest supplier, Foxconn, recently announced its plan to invest up to $1 billion to expand the factory in India. This literally means more job opportunities and more revenue. With growing anti-China sentiments, this was a smart move by Apple. However, Xiaomi continues its domination despite supply chain constraints due to the pandemic and growing anti-China sentiment in the country. South Korean tech giant Samsung has also had a quick recovery post-lockdown, reaching 94% of pre-COVID levels. A quick fact about Apple. Apple has around 20% of the global smartphone market. Pretty obvious with such prices, isn't it? But with just 20% of the global market share, they have 66% of all the profits. Don't wonder why, because they make almost everything from chipsets to camera lens all by themselves, cutting all the commissions needed to pay for Qualcomm or MediaTek or even Android. And another quick fact, Apple has one of the largest cash reserves that's worth $178 billion. To put things into perspective, Apple has enough money to buy all of Uber, Tesla, Twitter, Netflix, Dropbox, Snapchat, Airbnb, and SpaceX, and still have $20 billion left. And to top it all, this was from an article 5 years ago. And now in 2020, Apple's net worth has grown to 1 trillion. After iPhone 7, iPhone XR, iPhone SE and iPhone 6s, Apple has begun manufacturing the top-in-line iPhone 11. Well, the Apple's plan is crisp and clear. Having a local assembly line can help Apple avoid a 20% tax that otherwise Apple had to pay for importing handsets from its global manufacturing facilities, potentially lowering the cost for the Indian buyers of the smartphone. This comes after 9 months since Apple started assembling iPhone XR in India. Of course, as Piyush Goyal, Minister of Railways and Minister of Commerce and Industry, says, significant boost to Make in India. With India being a country over 50 crore smartphone users right now, companies like Samsung, Vivo and Xiaomi has invested in the country to meet its growing demands. Make in India is actually making India better. On a financial perspective, yes. Apple assembles its iPhone 11 at Foxconn's manufacturing plant in Chennai. This pretty much sums up the video. If you enjoyed the video, a sub to the channel would be incredible. So, my name is Sanosh, this is Starboy, and I'll catch you in the next one.